So in question 6, a hemispheric ball of diameter 34 is fixed to a horizontal surface. A smooth particle of mass 1 kg describes a horizontal circle of radius or centimeters on the smooth inside surface of the bowl. The plane of the circular motion is 8 centimeters below the top of the bowl. Part 1, we want to find the value of r. So the diameter of the hemisphere is 34 centimeters. That means that the radius is 17 centimeters. So the distance from here to here is 17 centimeters. This height is 8 centimeters and the radius is r. Now if we use Pythagoras' theorem, we should be able to find the radius of the horizontal circle that it describes. So this distance is 17, this height is 8, and the radius is r. So using Pythagoras' theorem, 17 squared equals 8 squared plus r squared. R squared plus 64 is 289. R squared is 225. This means r equals 15. Now that's 0.15 of a meter. In part 2 then, we want to find the reaction force between the particle and the surface of the bowl. Now the two forces acting on this particle are its weight, which acts straight down, and the normal reaction, r, which is perpendicular to the surface of contact. And this will head in this direction here. Now we need to split up r into horizontal and vertical components. This is the horizontal component and this would be the vertical component. So this would be r cos theta and this component would be r sin theta. Now the cos of theta is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, so that would be r over 17, which is the same as 15 over 17. The sine of theta then would be 8 over 17. So if we resolve r into horizontal and vertical components, the horizontal component we said was r cos theta, which is 15 r over 17, and the vertical component is r sin theta, which is 8 r over 17. So the upward forces are going to equal downward forces because the particle only moves horizontally. So this means 8r over 17 is going to equal g. And then we bring the 17r over and multiply, bring the 8 over and divide. This means r equals 17g over 8. In part 3 then, we want to find the angular velocity of the particle. So Fc equals mr omega squared. Now the force towards the centre is 15r over 17. And that's going to equal, the mass is 1. The radius was 15 centimeters, which is 0.15 of a meter, times omega squared. Now, r we worked out as 17g over 8. Now you can see the 17s will cancel. This gives 15g over 8 equals 0.15 omega squared. And the 15g over 8 works out as 8.375. If you bring the 0.15 across and divide, this means omega squared is 122.5. which means omega is the square root of that, and that works out as 11.07 rads per second.